Hello, I have some news. On behalf of the School Council, it's my pleasure to introduce to you the next Principal of Perth College, Ms Helen Aguiar. Helen joins us from All Saints, where she's been in the position of Vice Principal. She'll start here at Perth College first term next year. After a national search, Council members and I were impressed by Helen's educational experience, her drive and values, and believe she's the right choice to guide our school into its next exciting chapter. Well, Helen, congratulations. We're really looking forward to you starting as the Principal of Perth College. What attracted you to the role?
The thing that caught my attention when I first started looking at Perth College was the words that were being used: confident, capable, courageous, resilient, gritty. And those words reflect to me who I am and my values that have been instilled in me through my family and my upbringing. And I saw lots of programs offered at Perth College that really support that. And that to me is very important because it supports student wellbeing. What
sort of principal do you think you're going to be?
One who cares very deeply. So for me, it's all about the students and their wellbeing. Every decision I make, every activity I lead, the question for me is, what if this were my child? So it's all about the girls and their wellbeing.
Why do you think Perth College is in safe hands with you?
You get someone who is hardworking, dedicated, ethical and genuine, always trying to do my best. I'm someone who has a growth mindset. I'm optimistic. I also make mistakes, and I pick myself up, dust myself off, and move forward. And you know, failure is absolutely fine, and I need the girls to know that, because it's through failure that we learn and we grow and we get better at what we do.
What do you know about Perth College?
Learning about Perth College, it was very interesting for me to look at the work of the sisters and their view that everybody can contribute to the world in a positive way, but especially when they have access to education that's progressive. And I can actually still see that message still woven through the fabric of Perth College.
What are your priorities as you start the role?
My immediate plans, first one is to get to know the school, get to know the people and how the school works. But beyond that, for me, schools are about people, and it's all about building relationships, because through relationships we have trust, and trust is very important to me.
What do you see as the opportunities for Perth College?
There are many opportunities for Perth College. We have a responsibility to prepare our girls for university, but beyond that, we have an opportunity to prepare our girls for the world of work. And this world is a complex, ever-changing world. So for me, it's all about capabilities and growing that confidence and that passion and that optimistic mindset to be able to step into the world and succeed despite what the life will throw at them, like adversities, and coming out of that an optimistic, successful person.
Positive education is a big part of what we do here. What do you know about it?
My first experience of positive education was a number of years ago, actually, when it first came on the scene. I went to a conference on positive education. Throughout the years, I've used Martin Seligman's work many times for different things, but most recently, I've used his framework for my own studies. And I really think that students who have this framework to guide their decision-making in life and confront the adversities that come at them will be able to live an optimistic life and experience flow.
What difference does positive education make to girls?
If we look at what's happening now in the education environment, it's all about capabilities. So girls who are confident, girls who are capable, girls who know their values and what they stand for, they actually have a better chance of surviving and thriving in a world that's quite complex.
Tell us more about you.
I'm a mum, I have 2 children, and I'm also someone who's very passionate about my work and working with people to design opportunities for students that will be very helpful to them once they exit the safe haven of Perth College.
Where do you get your fun?
That's an interesting question. My husband would say I get my fun from work because I actually love working. I have a real passion for what I do, and it's because I'm working with people. The other area that I get my fun from is from my family. Family is a big part of my life, and coming to Perth College, I see that this is another extension of my family. And so to me, that's probably the thing that matters to me the most.
Well, Helen, congratulations again. You're joining us with your husband Shane, your children Riley and Luvi. We're really looking forward to working with you.
Oh, thank you. I'm so excited to be here, and I know my family is very excited as well. I'm very much looking forward to working with the staff to provide for our girls the best opportunities that we can as we move forward as a community, and for the girls of Perth College to leave the college feeling capable and confident with the world that they're stepping into.